White House Jamaica Fisherman Tale. I'm your host, Moya Campbell. Guys, so today we're here at the White House fish vending area. That's White House to be exact. Guys, remember, eating fish is healthy. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Alright, so guys, today I'm here to speak to 3 guests to hear from them how they have been affected as a result of Hurricane Beryl. These are individuals who operate on a daily basis within the fishing industry of Jamaica. So we're going to talk to them, hear how Hurricane Beryl affect them and their business in the island of Jamaica. So let's go everybody. Alright, so kind of introduce yourself to Jamaica, tell them who you are. Tell Jamaica who you are. Alright, so we have Miss Blossom, Buchanan. How long have you been operating here at the White House? 40 years? And your role here? What do you think that you're doing here? Alright, so you're a fish vendor and you've been operating for 40 years. Good. So, next person, how long have you been working here at the White House Fishing Village? 30 years, and your name is? Keith Samuel. Next person, tell Jamaica who you are. Alright, so you're Raphael and you are a? Fish vendor. How long have you been fish vending? 30 years. So we have 30 years and 40 years. So we have veteran here, so we have veteran here, so. Okay, so everybody's from?
He's from Long Hill.
You're from Long Hill, and you're from White House, and you're from White House Garden. So that's White House Westmoreland to be exact. Alright, so guys, we're here to talk to you today about what level of damage did you sustain, Miss Blossom, in the event, in Hurricane Beryl. How has Hurricane Beryl affected you as a fish vendor, and how has it impacted your business here at the White House Fishing Village? It's so? Okay, explain to Jamaica what do you mean by slow? So no ice, and you don't have ice to preserve your fish. So the fishermen, they lack ice as well, so they cannot preserve their catch. So it is posing a challenge to everybody. So it's affecting you as well as the fishermen. So what about you, Mr. King? How has it affected? Okay, so your fish is not selling. Okay, so it's affecting. What about you, Mr.
Yeah, Mr. Yes, I have the fish in the fridge right now.
Okay.
And the ice, I don't have as much ice there here.
Okay, so you don't have as much ice to preserve your catch. So everybody's losing.
Yes.
Alright, so everybody's being affected by the impact of the hurricane. So what brings you here today? Why are you here today? Can you tell me why you're here today? Also, we have small watercrafts going on. So you guys get fish. 2 pounds for you, Mr. King, how much? Not at all? Raphael, what about you? What brings you here today? To sell fish today? So how has it been going?
None.
None? Okay, so let me ask you, how is it looking for you guys? How is it looking going forward? Are you feeling hopeful, Miss Blossom? Yes. Why? Ice will come? Okay, so you're hanging on to say that the ice will come. Okay, Mr. Keith, what about you?
What time the ice come?
Oh, you don't know what time?
When the ice come, you start again
Okay.
and move along.
Okay, so you're remaining hopeful that the ice comes. What about you, Raphael?
Yeah.
You're hopeful that the ice comes as well. So let me ask you, where are your hopes of the ice coming from? Is there a source other than Brian? Oh, there's Brian? Brian or Mapen Ice. So Mapen Ice, the fish vendors in White House, Westmoreland, they are anticipating your visit. So it is important for you to be here to supply fish vendors with ice so that they can continue their business. Alright, so I wish you guys all the best in your endeavors and your business. And we know that Hurricane Beryl passed through the island and it is very devastating. It affects personal property. It has affected your business, and I'm just saying to hang on, don't give up. But then again, you guys have been here from so long, right? So it is something that you guys would have experienced a hurricane before? Yes. Okay, so you've had an experience of a hurricane before. So you're riding out the storm. Alright, so is there anything that you want to tell Jamaica, Miss Blossom? What's that one? And your breadfruit tree? Alright, so if anybody wish to give Miss Blossom a new breadfruit tree, you can make contact to the channel. Alright, Mr. Keith, what would you like to say to Jamaica? Tell Jamaica.
I put them something. Voila, I'm ready.
If you could get something.
They go right now down. That I tend to come with them to Irish Road. That's the
Okay,
one.
so anybody who wish to render assistance, please do, you can make contact. Alright, so Mr. Rafael, is there anything that you want to tell Jamaica?
Only the tournament I lose, right?
Oh, you only lose some crops. Alright, so how is everybody going forward? Feeling emotion? How you feeling? Good? Are you feeling happy going forward? Oh, you're happy for life, that you have life. Okay, Mr. Keith?
I have life going on. Fighting the victory over our
Okay, so let me ask you one more question. So you guys spending more during the impact of Hurricane Beryl?
Yes, man, but everything the bar sky high.
Okay.
Nothing get smaller than everything dear.
Oh, everything skyrocketed.
Yes, ma'am.
So the prices have escalated.
It's true.
Okay, so how are you dealing with that, Ms. Blossom? Skyrocket price? Yeah, increase, inflation. How you guys much coping? Okay, Mr. King, how you coping? Okay, so what about you, Rafael?
This game, we are going with everything. Bad and good.
Oh, so you're just going with the flow.
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you very much. Tell Jamaica bye. Bye, Jamaica. Thank you very much.